When we talk about positive and negative integers and we want to multiply or divide them, we have to follow our integer rules, and it's nothing more than having positive or negative dice. I use 20-sided dice with my students, and there's two rules that we follow. It can either be all positive, so meaning a positive times a positive is a positive, or you have to have two negatives involved in the problem. Now, what does that mean? We do it with multiplication. We will write p's for positive and n's for negative. So the first rule of positive times a positive is obviously a positive. They learned that in elementary school, and that's not going to change. That's the only exception. Every other one, we're going to have two negatives involved. If I took a negative and I multiplied it by a positive times a positive, the only die that's left is a red die, which we use as negatives. It's got to be a negative answer. So negative 5 times 2 obviously is going to be negative 10. If we keep going, you're going to see if I change it around and put a positive first and a negative second, it's still going to give us a negative answer. But then if the last way, and if I change it so that I have two negatives first, and I did negative 5 times, let's say negative 2 this time, a negative times negative, the only die that's left is a positive. So there you go. You've always got to have two negatives as a part of your multiplication, and it works with division too.